Good day, beautiful people. This is a brief description on how to upload your third-party certification with the WOSB.Certify.sba.gov. So on this facts and questions form, I got some great help, more help than I've gotten every time that I've called the SBA to ask them how to do this. It has been so complicated, and I finally got this done today just by reading this list of facts and questions. I do think that SBA needs to do better. This question is very simply answered, and I have been taken around the world and back for several months of just trying to simply upload my third-party certification for the WOSB program. So as you can see here, this facts and questions is on the SBA.gov website. It is sba.gov/FAQs for WOSBs, EDWOSBs, if you wanted to look up the direct site. But if you go to the sba.gov or log into the certify.sba website, you can just type in facts and questions or go to the help section, and then this list will come up. So on the third page of this list, which is number 10, it says, I am a third-party certified WOSB or EDWOSB. Do I need to submit an application on WOSB.Certify.sba.gov? And the answer is yes. I have asked this question even to my third-party certifier, and they told me no. But the answer is yes. You have to submit an application. You have to go into WOSB Certify as if you are applying again, but you aren't applying because you already applied through the third party, but you need to proceed on there as if you are. So you need to submit and click on new application once you get into the WOSB.Certify website. So the answer is yes. All firms that are certified through an approved third party will have to create a new account, which you should already have an account, in the certification platform and submit an application. Early in the application, you will be asked if you have an existing qualified certification. Here you will be able to upload your third-party certificate for SBA to complete the initial processing. So even though you've already done everything with your third-party certificate supplier, you're still going to have to wait for the SBA to approve you through the initial process. So once you do that, and once you read that, you can go on the WOSB.Certify.sba.gov website, and you go ahead and log in with your credentials. And after you log in, then I'm going to show you the subsequent pages that are going to come up and the process that you're going to have to go through to actually submit your third-party certificate. I hope that this video is extremely helpful, but because for me it was extremely frustrating. Nobody seems to have the answer, and this was a really simple process once I actually, found out how to do it. So again, once you log in, you're going to have to click on new application, and once you do that, it's going to ask you if you are a 51% owner, and if you are a woman. That's going to be the very first question. And then secondly, it's going to ask you if you are assigning a delegate. My answer was no, because I am and was representing myself. Once you've answered those two questions, you're going to come to these cards, and your SBA basic eligibility is going to be checked off. And then after that, you have to click on the upload your certification tab or card. So at this point, you click here on the existing qualified certification. And at that point, it's going to ask you if you are 8A certified, and we are not. So I clicked no there. And it's also going to ask you if you have a third-party certifier, and the answer is yes for that. It's also going to ask which are, you certified in, WOSB or EDWOSB, and then you would click the appropriate button for that. Next question is, have there been any changes in your circumstances since your eligibility? And you will answer that. After that, it's going to ask you to certify and make sure that all of your answers are correct. And then you're going to upload your supporting documents. So after you click on that, you're going to hit the EDWOSB in the blue tab so that you can upload your document or your certification. And then you hit complete the upload once you've uploaded your document, and it's going to tell you that your submission was completed successfully. At this point, they're going to give you all of the statements that they're required to give you, required by law, and you just read through that, and you have to agree and attest to the fact that all of these statements are true. After you've attested, you're going to come to this page, and as you can see, I submitted this application directly through SBA twice before, and I got nowhere. It was an extremely painful process, but this time I did it through a third-party certifier, as you can see the dates here, and I am just waiting for the SBA to come back with their decision. And I should not have any problems because, like I said, I was certified and I submitted all of my documentation and even went through the site visit and all of that for them to verify my woman-owned business. And all of that went smoothly, and now I'm just waiting for the SBA. But yes, this is how you upload your third-party certification inside of the SBA website. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to leave them here in the video. And also, please forgive me for my slides and my pictures. I know they're a little grainy because I took the pictures of my desktop screen, but you still get the point. And I just thought that this would be very helpful for someone struggling to understand or know what to do as far as this was concerned. And I thought it was very important that I go ahead and document this as I was going through it. So again, forgive my pictures and my slides, but I know that this will be helpful to someone. And again, I want to thank you all for watching, and you be blessed.